I've been receiving so many good suggestions on Afghan food that I'm so super excited to try them this week. And I'm gonna make this cooking vlog so that I can record my cooking during the week. I buy this peeled garlic so that it's faster for me to use them every time, because I use garlic in almost every single recipes, so pretty much every day, and it's just so much more convenient to have it ready to use. My family always had that garlic crusher. It was so convenient. Since I started living by myself, I've never purchased that thing. I should consider purchase it now. This is actually so time consuming. The mint gives it such an interesting flavor.
Okay, here we go. I'm eating
Mantu.
mantu. Look how pretty it is. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, heavy on the mint. This tastes like what a lasagna would taste like without the sauce and the cheese and everything else, but just the pasta and the beef.
I think you're just still getting over the Italian food from last week.
Shut up.
I'm making the second recipe today. I just got out of work and I'm honestly feeling a little bit tired, and I wasn't going to cook, or so I wanted not to cook, but then I thought I was so excited to make this recipe today that I'll just go for it. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. There's too much garlic and onion stuff laying around. Setting up my video equipment. Ta-da! Last touch with some mint. This is so good. So I tried the food and it was delicious. And I still have some here that I'm gonna make fresh for one person that gets to eat most of my food.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pick the best looking one. Oh wow! What is that?
Is it good?
That's just like a Afghani taco dumpling thing. I don't know what it is, but it's so good. I said it hits immediately. The taste is like so punchy.
Hey, so today is the third day that I'm cooking Afghanistan food. Typically, I do 5 recipes of a country in a week. I do still try to cook every day, but you know, it's quite hard to actually cook and film every day to put a video. So I try to do at least 5 videos and 5 recipes each week. And I'm so excited because today I'm making a vegetarian recipe. It's only eggplants, but I already think that it's gonna taste yummy, yummy. Sometimes I just can't decide on my next move. 1, 2. A couple of things to consider here is that I cut the eggplant a little bit too thin, so it was hard to assemble because it started breaking. But I think I did fine. I just finished filming my first bite, as always. This was so good. I'm gonna just keep eating and watching a TV show. Wow, I love this so much. I honestly didn't think that I would love this so much.
Today's day 4 of me making Afghan food, and I've been loving it so much. Every single dish has been so delicious. Today I'm making a breakfast dish, like a traditional Afghan breakfast meal, and I'm so excited for it because I asked about it on my TikTok so that people give me suggestions on what actually Afghan people eat for breakfast. And it is an egg dish. It looks really simple, and I can't wait to try it.
Is this too much potato? I don't think so, because I love potatoes. I even made chai, but I think I didn't made it quite right because it's not pink. Tastes good though.